did not want to keep investing. That might sound strange coming from someone who already owns a few rental properties across different countries, but let me explain. I've built a decent passive income from these properties, some on long-term, some on short-term rentals, and honestly, in many parts of the world, that would be more than enough to stop working and live comfortably. And I was ready for that. I could see myself living a simple life in the countryside of France or by the beach in Mauritius, peaceful, quiet, and stress-free. But then we moved to Dubai, and that changed everything. Back in 2021, my wife and I were living in Singapore. The COVID lockdown was pretty harsh over there, and since we were both working remotely, we decided that it was time for a change. I had a 4-year-old daughter, and my wife was 6 months pregnant when we decided to move. And a few months later, our son was born here in Dubai. And fast forward to today, my daughter is 8 years old and my son is 4 years old, and I can't imagine raising them anywhere else in the world. In 2022, we tried moving to Mauritius for 6 months. It's where my wife and I are originally from, where our parents were born. We had a beautiful house by the beach. I could literally go fishing from our garden after work, and it was amazing. But then the reality hit. As beautiful as Mauritius is, we faced two big issues. Number one is the safety. We could not let our kids run freely in public. Going out after dark didn't feel safe, and even taking our phone out in certain places felt risky. For those who don't know, Mauritius was a French and then a British colony before it became independent in the 1960s. And even today, you can feel a strong divide between communities. We moved into a nice neighborhood, but we quickly realized that we were the only brown family over there. People like me, Indian or Pakistani descendants, we are often seen only in roles like gardeners, cleaners, of like personal staff, not neighbors in those areas. And that was painful because this is our country too, this is our heritage. And we face the same with schools. Our daughter was the only brown girl in the class. She was not bullied at all, but as parents, we could feel it. This was not the environment we wanted for her. We also visited a few local schools, but then we felt the culture clash because we grew up in Europe and again we didn't really fit in. And that's something many immigrants can relate to. You leave your country to build a better life, and a generation later, your kids grow up with new values, new habits, but your appearance, your name, it still makes you feel like an outsider everywhere. You no longer belong fully to your country of origin, but you're not fully accepted in your new home either. So we came back to Dubai, because here, everyone is from somewhere else. Everyone is adapting. We are all immigrants, and that shared experience creates a sense of connection. A feeling of belonging, even if this is not really our country. Our daughter is thriving. In her class, there are more than 12 nationalities, and they are all best friends. Russian, Jordanian, Indian, Lebanese. No barriers, just kids being kids. That makes a huge difference in how happy and secure we feel as a family. But here's the thing. Dubai is expensive. School fees, healthcare, rent, everything costs multiple times more than in Mauritius or in many other countries. So if you want to continue living here long term without going back to the 9-to-5 grind, we need to grow our passive income even more. That's why I kept investing. In the past 2 years, we've bought 4 properties in Dubai and listed them for short-term rental. It's been an amazing learning curve. We made some mistakes, but overall it's working. So now the goal is simple. Build enough passive income to sustain our life here while raising our kids with the right mindset. Because it's no longer just about me, it's a family journey now. Our daughter comes with us to viewings, she helps furnish the properties, she helps list them online. She is learning the habit of investing from an early age. And I want her and her little brother now to one day build their own portfolio. To be free to live, travel, and work from wherever they choose, because to me that's the real freedom. And if you are curious about the type of properties we invest in, check out the apartment tour links above. That was our first property in Dubai. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.